Girls, who will do the barbecue?
No one.
Girls, who will do the barbecue?
Me.
Okay, come on.
Now what I'm gonna do here? This is one zipper, and then you zip it, and what you think would surprise in here, and then just zip this up all around. I see! All around. There you go. Just there's one surprise here. Now let's open this. Let's first start. You see this one? And then we know the creatures of this. What do you think it will be? This. I want it to be this. This one.
Excited?
Oh, please open. It's baby. It's the have a yellow.
Okay, you go find it. Who is
It's
she?
gonna be.
You think?
You already have this, and then is
You think this one with the gold one?
yes.
That?
Yeah.
Okay, we will see. Who is she here? This one? She will be Gala.
Yeah, Gala. And this. Is this same like the other? Is this same?
May I see what's that?
Is-
The flashlight.
Is it again another one? Open. And what's here?
Maybe the shoes?
The pink light sheet. This. Yes, is this. Open. So what's this? And it's a cute, nice dress.
Wow, that's the dress. Very, very cute. She is Gala.
She's Gala.
Ah,
Where's Gala?
here.
Yeah, Gala. Mommy.
And her bottle.
That's too small. Now, next up, put this. Mommy, this is that I opened my present, and here's Gala.
Mm-hmm.
I like Gala.
Okay, where is she there? Where is she?
Here.
Wow,
Gala.
Gala Cutie in
Gala
Glam Club.
Kitty.
You're feeding her? And hello, Gala. Welcome. Welcome home, Gala. How are you? We're happy to be with you. Welcome. Hello. Hi, Gala.
Bye-bye.
Hi.
Hi, baby. The lights. Come on, girls. Let's go camping. Okay. Wait. Going camping. Good. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. And don't remember. Oh, look. It's okay. Mommy's here. Don't go. This finger. Showing on us. Let's just. Mommy. it goes. And I will put like this, like this, like this. Then it goes up. Oh, the slide. Oh, there, yes. Slide.
Girls, who will do the barbecue?
No one.
Girls, who will do the barbecue?
Me.
Okay, come on.
We have this. Is she gonna? Flash. I'm done. Mommy, can I go to the bar myself? You can chess? No. Dun 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 dun.
I feel relaxed lying down. Hey girls, okay, I will do barbecue. I always have fun doing it. It's gonna be very tasty. Guys, almost finished. Smells good. I'm excited to eat one. Hello, Gala. What are you doing there? What are you doing, Gala?
Gala! Oops! Gala love it! Gala loves sliding! Fish! Gala, yeah. What do you think? Let's go up. Okay, let's go on my trial on baby. And her baby. We need to ride somewhere nice. Running time. Running. So you can go. Gallery. You can go for this week. Where? Get out.
Okay, girls, the food is ready.
Yay!
Barbecue, come on.
But I don't like to go barbecue.
Why?
Because I'm tired.
You're tired, so you can eat later. Okay, girls, let's go eat. Okay, this one for you. This one for you. Okay, and this one for you.
Mommy, I'm not tired anymore.
Girls, did you drink your juice yet?
No, Mama. I didn't drink my juice. Me too. I didn't drink my juice, Mommy.
Come on, get your juice.
This is my juice and her juice. And this is her juice. She's done her milk. Done. That was fun.
Okay, girls, it's already dark. Let's sleep now so we can wake up early tomorrow.
Us go to sleep.
Yeah, I think we need to sleep.
Come on, kids. Wow, I think I'm good. Ooh, first one. Ooh. I'll go up.
of you won.
Yay! How about that one and that one?
They didn't win.
Why?
Because they didn't join here. Girls, when you wake up in the morning, let's get ready and going back home. Okay, girls?
But no, I want to have a picnic.
You want to go picnic? Next time again, girls, okay? We're done with our camping and we will wake up early tomorrow.
As we will wake up early?
Yes, everyone needs to get up early. We need to roll over. Okay?
Okay. Time to go. Sleepyhead. Huh? Who is that?
You come down. Come down. Careful. Okay, let's go.
But how
In the
about this?
front. I'm going to drive.
Okay. I will use the key. On to the next. Going home. Mommy, don't have gas. Okay, we know how. This is the little. Oh, that's the one. Yes. Wait. Ducky and duck. Dolly? Yep. Do you want to play? Yep. Do you want to play in the pool? Of course. Oh, you want me to play in the pool handle? Deal. Okay. You want to buy a new car? Yes.
A motor